Alright, let's pay attention please. Now the question says the relation y is equal to p s squared minus 3s minus q for minus 3 less than or equal to s less than or equal to what? 5. So this is the range for the x. That means s is ranging from minus 3 to what? To 5. Are we there? And the first one says using the table to find the value of p and q. Are we there? So that means I can use two possible values of x and two possible values of what? Y. So I can use this for x and this for y to form one equation. Then use this and this to form another equation. Are we there? To form another equation. Now, watch. I can as well use this and use this, use this and use this, or I can use either this and this, and this and this. Just make sure you are picking two values of x and two values of what? Y. So I'm going to go with this and what? And this. Somebody else might even go with this and this. You will still get the same answer if you try it. Okay? So let's go for AI. It says using the table to find the value of what? P and what? And Q. So for AI, okay. Solution. Now for the AI one. Now they said I'm going with what? With this. So I say when x is minus 2 and y is equal to 4. Okay? And the equation says y is equal to p s squared minus 3s minus what? Q. Now what is y? Y is equal to 4 and p bracket. What is x? X is minus 2 squared. Then minus 3 bracket what? Minus 2. Then minus what? Q. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to have 4 is equal to minus 2 squared is what? 4. So 4 times 3 is what? Is 4p. Minus 3 times minus 2 plus 6, right?
Yes.
Then minus what? Q. I'll collect like that. So 4, this person will cross over, I have minus what? 6. So I have 4p minus what? Q. Then 4 minus 6 is what? Minus 2 is equal to 4p minus q. And the form what? Equation what? 1. Okay? So I'll go again. I say when x is equal to, so I'm going with what? This. Okay? When x is equal to 4, comma, then y is equal to what? 10. So I'll now say my y becomes equal to p s squared minus 3x minus what? Q. My y is what? Is 10. Is equal to what? P bracket what? S is what? 4 squared minus 3 bracket what? 4 minus q. Now I have what? 10 is equal to 4 squared is 16 times p, 16p. Minus 3 times 4 minus what? Q. I'll collect items. Then this crossover will become plus what? 12 equal to 16p minus what? Q. Then this will give you what? 22 is equal to 16p minus what? Q. Become what? Equation what? 2. Are you there? Okay. Now, I will now combine equation 1 and equation what? 2. And I'm going to do what? Solve what? Simultaneously. So solve simultaneously. Okay, simultaneously. So equation 1 says 4p minus q. So 4p minus q is equal to minus 12. Then equation 2 says 16p minus q is equal to 22. So this is equation 1, and this is what equation 2. Are you there? Okay, so now let's look at this. I'm going to use elimination method to solve for this. Are we there? Now, and before I can use elimination method, I'll make sure that the coefficient of P here and coefficient of P here are the same. So this is now coefficient of P here is 4 and coefficient of P here is what is 16. So I cannot eliminate. What will I do? I will check the next unknown, which is the Q, and check whether they are what? They are the same. So if they are the same, I'll do what? I will eliminate. But in a situation whereby this, the two that don't have the same coefficient, and likewise this one don't have the same coefficient, what do? I will interchange coefficient. The coefficient of P here will go and multiply equation 2. What the coefficient of P here will go and multiply equation 1. It's in a situation whereby both of them don't have the same coefficient. I mean, this and this don't have the same coefficient, and this does not have what? The same what coefficient. Are we there? Now, so do you see this and this don't have the same coefficient? This one is what? 16. I will go to the next unknown, which is what? My Q. So do you see the coefficient of Q here is -1. Coefficient of Q here is what? -1. So they have the same coefficient. I will do what? I will eliminate. So I'm going to introduce plus or minus. I will check the one that is going to be suitable to eliminate Q. So if I go with this, I will say coming here now, and I'll say minus Q. I'll go with plus first. Plus, I'll put plus, minus Q. I'm going to have Q. Plus minus is what? Is minus Q. And it's going to give me what? Minus what? 2Q. Right? Okay, so minus what? 2Q. So you see, plus could not remove what? Q. So I'm going to check minus. So let's go with minus. I'll say minus Q, minus, minus. So minus, I'll put what? Q. So here becomes minus Q. Minus is what? It's plus Q. Are we there? And the answer is what? 0. Are you following? So 0. So that means I'm going with what? I'm going with minus. So let's go. So 4P minus 16P is what? Minus what? 12 what? P. Okay? Then this one is now what? 0, right? It's now 0. And I have minus 12 minus 22 is what? Minus what? 24. So minus will cancel minus. So P becomes equal to 24 divided by what? 12. And P is equal to what? 2. So this will go 1, this will go what? 2. The answer is what? Is 2. So I will substitute. Okay? Substitute 2 for P in equation 1. I can go into equation 2 if you like. So equation 1 says 4P minus what? Q is equal to minus 12. So 4. Sorry? From the beginning. Where is minus 2? Yeah. Alright. Now I have let's go. The value of P here is what? Is 2 minus what? Q is equal to minus what? Minus 2, right? Yes. Okay, minus 2. Okay, corrected. So I'm going to have here it gives me what? 8 minus what? Q is equal to what? Minus 2. So I want to avoid minus carrying Q. So let Q go over here, and this one come over here. So I'm going to have 8 come over here become plus 2. Then is equal to Q crossover become Q. Alright, then 10 is equal to what? Q. So therefore, Q is equal to what? 10. Are we there? Alright, so let's go here. Let's go to the next one. Now the new equation. Now, what will now be the new equation? Now, the new equation will now be what? Y is equal to PS squared minus P minus Q. Now, I've gotten P as what? As 2. I'll replace it here. And I've gotten Q as what? 10. So this becomes the new equation I'm going to use in solving what? the enclosing the graph. Okay, so now look at my table. Okay, now this table has already been presented, but I'm going to explain how I come about with these figures there. Are we there? So I'm going to discuss how these figures came about. All right. So now my y. Now look at my equation now, and this is what this is the equation that is going to produce these values. Okay. So now look at the table that was given initially. That contains only 2 rows, but this one contains what? How many rows? 5 rows. So I have to expand the table. So when you expand the table, are we there? You get your full mark. But when you use it in a compressed form, are we there? Yeah, they're going to do what? Deduct your what? Your mark. So let's go and deal with. Let's discuss how we come about with this what table. Okay. All right. Now, my x is running from what? -3 to what? To 5. So here I put the first what? The first value here, which is 2s here. Then put this one here. Then put -10 here. Then put what? Y here. Now this equation 2s here is the one producing all these figures here. Now how are they produced? Okay, watch. Now if I come here now, how do I get 18? I'll now say 2s squared is equal to 2 bracket what? What is the value of x here? -3. I put -3 here squared. Now -3 squared is what? Is 9. And 2 times 9 is what? 15. That's how I got 18. Now, how do I get this 8? And I say 2s squared is equal to 2 bracket what? S here is what? -2. So I put -2 here. All squared is equal to, now, -2 squared is what? Is 4. 4 times 2 is what? 8. That's how 8 came about. Okay? Then, I'm going to go for this one. 2s squared is equal to 2 bracket what? Minus what? 1. All squared. -1 squared is what? Is 1. Right? Then 2 times 1 is what? Is 2. That's how these 2 came about. So you can follow this process and fill up this up to this what? The last value here. So you still get the answer here. Now let's go for -3x. -3x. So how do I get 9 here? When I say -3x bracket is -3x is equal to -3 bracket. What is the value of x here? Is -3. So I'll put -3 here. So then say -3 times -3 is what? Is 9. That's how I came about with what? 9. Then come here now. I now have -3x is equal to -3 bracket. What's the value of x here? -2. I put -2 here. Okay, -3 times -2 is what? Is +6. That's how I come about with 1. Is 6. Now we'll do for the last one here. Okay, and then say -3x is equal to -3 bracket or -1. When I say -3 times -1 is what? 3. Is what? Is 3. Are you following? Yes. So it's 3. So I have 3. So you can do the same for this and get this. Are you there? Now coming here, you see -10 doesn't have x as the unknown. So what do? I'll run it what? Serially. Okay, since it doesn't contain with x. So I'll put -10, -10 all through. Then how do we get these values? Let's go. 18 plus 9 is 27. Then 27 minus 10 is what? 17. So this is reporting this 17 here. This is reporting this 17 here. So let's go. 8 plus 6. 14 minus 10 is what? 4. So this is reporting 4 here. Let's go. 2 plus 3. 5 minus 10. Now 0 plus 0. 0 minus 10. Then 2 minus 3. Huh? Minus 1 minus 10. Then 8 minus 6. 2 minus 10. 18 minus 9. 9. Then 9 minus 10. Okay, you see, I have 11 minus 11. This year minus 11 is also here. So let's go. 32 minus 12. 32 minus 12. 20. So 20 minus 10,
10.
10. And this is reporting 10 here too. Okay? Reporting 10 here too. Then 50 minus 15,
35.
35 minus 10,
25.
okay, so that's how we got this table. Okay, so the next thing is what? Is to plot our graph. Okay, all right.